Let's talk about what you need to do in order to get clients from social media. If this is your first time to the channel, my name's Amanda. If you want to know everything there is to know about growing your real estate business without ever making a cold call, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell for notifications so that you'll never miss a video. So we all hear constantly as agents how important social media is to our business, but how do you actually go about getting clients from social media? I was ranked by Property Spark as one of the top 5 agents in Alexandria on social media. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what you must do in order to get clients from social media. The first one, possibly the most important one, consistency. You cannot expect to get results from social media if you are not consistent. Don't be one of those agents that post once a day for 2 weeks and then post nothing for 2 months. You have to give your audience a reason to follow you and continue to follow you. That means showing up consistently on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever your jam is for your social media platform. You've got to be consistent. Number 2 is you have got to provide value as well. People on social media are looking for one of 2 things. They either want to be entertained or they want to be educated. And as real estate agents, we certainly have seen the TikToks that have gone viral, Instagram videos that have gone viral where it really is entertaining, and kudos to those agents. You all are awesome. But on a day-to-day basis, it is our job to show up and educate. And you can throw some entertainment in there as well, but what you really want to do is be providing value through education. So sharing home buyer tips, home seller tips, staging tips, pre-approval tips. The list could go on, and show up for your audience and provide value every single time. You want to give them a reason to actually reach out to you. And if you continue to show up and give them value, if they are in the market for a real estate agent, you will definitely get a direct message from them if you have delivered on the value front. Next up is a call to action, and this is one that I see agents leave out a lot. Do not make that mistake. It is so important to tell your audience what you want them to do. So you're showing up consistently, you're giving that value, then you have to tell them what action you want them to take. So within your post, that could be, for more information, DM me. For more information, call or text me with your phone number. Make it extremely clear in your messaging what action you want your audience to take. And then in order for them to take that action, also make it easy. If you're saying, reach out to me, well, through what? Should they DM you? Should they call a phone number that you're listing, an email? You need to make it very simple for them to take that call to action. Step 4, in order to get clients from social media, you've got to personalize it. We all know that people work with someone they know, like, and trust. And the only way to convey that through whatever social media platform or platforms that you're posting to is to personalize it. You have to give your audience an opportunity to get to know you. And I know for some of you that's probably very difficult, but I promise you that if you start just showing up as yourself, then you absolutely will get people reaching out to you. Yes, you will get people criticizing you, and that's okay. Their opinions do not pay your bills, and you can't worry about that. It's just part of social media. And quite frankly, I think if you get people criticizing you, then you're doing something right. So share what you do throughout the day, even if it's as simple as walking your dog. That's what I do sometimes. It's sharing who you are as a person. Are you going to a local restaurant that you really like? Give that restaurant a shout out. Are you going to the park? Showcase what park you're at. Whatever you're doing in your local area and in as part of your life, you want to show up and share that as well. It can't be all real estate all the time because that just gets really boring. You've got to sprinkle in the little personal bits as well so that you're giving your audience an opportunity to truly get to know who you are as a person. Step 5, video. And I know some of you are probably cringing, but let me tell you, video is where it's at. I don't care what social media platform you're on. Hopefully you're posting to multiple platforms, but you have got to be showing up in video. I'm not saying you have to be in a video every single day, but they really reward posts that are video or going live. Photo posts simply don't get the traction that they used to because these platforms have evolved and their algorithm is rewarding video. You've got to get into making the reels if you want to get some leads from social media. And I know that can be difficult. It's stepping out of your comfort zone. I completely understand that. Start small. Even if you start with video that you aren't in, hey, that's better than nothing, but just make sure that you are working towards getting into your videos that you're posting, again, so that your audience can make a connection with you. Last one, and this may sound obvious, but I see it as a misstep frequently, that is get social. You're on social media. You are meant to get on there and interact. And that could be with your peers, that could be with potential clients, that could be with local businesses. You want to be social on social media. You've got to give before you take. So make sure that you are commenting on others' posts and not just an emoji comment. Actually take the time to write a comment out. I find this is particularly successful with local businesses. Even better if you go, say, dine in at a local business, get some footage while you're there, post that and tag them. And then ideally ask them, hey, could you share this as well so that you're getting exposed to their audience too. It's all about give and take like anything else. And the more you give, the more you will get out of social media. These are just some of the strategies that I've used in order to grow my social media. I hope you got some helpful tips out of this. If you have any questions, drop me a comment below. And as always, I hope you take care until next week.